Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create an R function and to understand how does it work. So when should we create an R function? So when we need to do the same task twice or more than that, we should think about creating a function. Why? Because of efficiency, accuracy, and tidy. Efficiency in here means when you need to do the same task several times, we need to copy and paste the code several times. And therefore, if we had a function, it's more efficient. And if we want to update something, we need to update at several places in our code. And it also takes more time. But if we have a function, we just need to update in a function. And accuracy in here, I mean, when we copy paste the code several times, we might make some mistake, and therefore having a function would increase the accuracy. And tidy, with the function, we can reduce the length of our code. So we just need to call the function with one command. So the code look shorter and tidier. And how to create a function. So first is the function name. We think about the name that it's informative, and if possible, we may think of using a verb more than a noun rather than a noun. We could use a noun for arguments of that function. And the function should be simple and short. If we have very long and complex function, it means that we should break the function into smaller functions. And the code should be easy to understand. For example, when someone read our code, they should understand what we are doing in here. Or in the next few years, we are going to read again our own code. Maybe we forgot what we had done, and therefore should write the code and think about other people going to read the code and let them understand the code in an easy way. And now let's have a very simple example to understand how to create a function and how does it work in R. So we just need to write a function to get the division of A by B. For example, the function name, let's have the function name of divide. And when we input A equals 3, B equals 2, it will give us the value of 1.5. So now let's open RStudio. Here. So divide. So the sign and syntax is function. This is the function name, and this must be function. And our arguments, so we have A and B, and then we write our code here. Let's say result or output equals A divided by B, and we must return the final output. So Control Enter, and now we test our function. For example, divide 3 and 2. Control Enter, 1.5 is correct. So divide, let's say B equals 2 and A equals 3. Control Enter, still 1.5. So in the first case, if we don't write the variable name in here, the function will understand that the first value is A and the second value is B. In the second case, we explicitly say that B equals 2 and A equals 3. And the function also understands that. And in this case, we don't need to follow the order, which we could write b first and a later on. And now let's have a function that have some default value. For example, my default b value is, let's say 4. Control Enter. And now we test our function. If we just give the value 3 in here, Control Enter, it will give the value of 0.75. So here the function understands that 3 is the first value, which is a, and we don't give b, and the function will take the default value of 4. So the result will be 0.75. And in this case, if we say that b must be 2, a must be 3, the function will not take the default value, and the result will be 1.5. So this is how does the function work. So thanks for your interest in this video, and let's move to the next video.